back, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor and privilege now to welcome and introduce Nilotpal Kumar Datta, Director, India, GreenLake Cloud Services, Hewlett Packard Enterprise, for a special address titled Challenges of a Modern CFO. Nilotpal, over to you.
Thank you, Honorable Chief Guest, for setting up the context. And congratulations to the Economic Times team for putting up this year's ETCFO Strategy Summit. Very honored to be a part of this event. I'm not sure how many of you know, but Hewlett Packard Enterprise India had been one of the first companies to set up in India. One of the first companies that actually believed in what India could offer to the world. We live in very interesting as well as uncertain times. Uncertain because of whatever we have been going through in the last 2 years. And the way we have worked has drastically changed because of this. People work from home, people partly work from offices. There are people even in manufacturing plants where we are not working to complete capacity. This entire way of hybrid working throws a lot of compliance regulatory challenges, which CFOs like you have to constantly deal with. At the same time, there has been tremendous amount of technological advancement which has happened. There is immense data growth which happens today at edge, and all of you might have experienced your CIOs coming and telling you as to how they can maximize learning and analytics from that data. This data the growth is huge, and equally immense is the potential of what you can make out of the data. And as ecosystem is building around all of this, the IT investment becomes uncertain. Uncertain also is that how much you need to invest at any point in time, because you don't know how much will it grow. So as CFOs today, there are two things that you have to balance at any point in time. One is, how do you invest in a manner that you don't invest your IT investment is not big, and it actually grows with the experience that you have and as you keep building your systems, because you have to manage your cash. You need your free cash in order to invest in other areas, and you hence need to constantly monitor the ROI that you are getting. HPE GreenLake, our cloud edge to cloud platform, actually helps you do that. In areas where compliance, data security, etc. becomes very important, and you need to put it in your own premise. At the same time, you cannot build an infrastructure which is huge from day one and which could possibly grow as you learn more from the data, as ecosystems around build up, is what HP GreenLake allows you to do. It's a consumption-based service wherein you build your IT systems as and when you consume. So if your CIO builds a platform which is linked to data growth, it actually caters to that data growth. A very recent significant customer who believed in HP GreenLake and where we are implementing HP GreenLake is ONGC. ONGC is implementing S4HANA, which will help them derive insights from their business data and completely automate their entire transaction processing and commercial systems. They have chosen HP GreenLake, wherein the systems will grow as they advance. While they start small, as they grow, as the data grows, the systems also grow. And ONGC pays to us only for what they consume, and they do not have to plan for a 5-year architecture and invest today. That is exactly what HP GreenLake is, and it helps you to keep your cash free. It helps you to have a better ROI. It helps you to monitor your expense in a way that you only pay for what you consume and you don't go ahead and plan for a future that could be uncertain, that may not be as high as you think it could be, or it could be totally different and which would need a different technology. This uncertainty, this ability to manage your ROI better, this ability to invest in a manner that you keep your cash free is what HP GreenLake does. As as the sessions move ahead, and subsequently, my team and I would be very interested in meeting all of you to understand how we can take this forward. Very honored to be here. Very honored again to be here, and thank you so much. Stay safe. Thanks again.
Thank you, Nilotpal, for your special address titled Challenges of a Modern CFO. We wish you and Hewlett Packard Enterprise the very best going forward. Do stay tuned in, ladies and gentlemen. We will be back on the other side with the inaugural CEO panel.